Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Now we will be starting with the next sum of May-16 paper of the Fourier series. That is, we need to find Fourier series of f of x. The function is given in a range of 0 to 2 pi and hence we need to reduce this. So I'll be starting with first is f of x. So that comes to be a0 plus summation an cos nx plus summation bn sine nx. So let's find a0. So a0 comes to be, first is a0 is 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. So now we can say that 1 upon 2 pi 0 to 2 pi function is 3x square minus 6 pi x plus 2 pi square, and whole gets divided by 12 into dx, so which we can write as 1 upon 24 pi, and integration will be 3x cubed by 3 minus 6 pi x square by 2 plus 2 pi square into x, where upper limit is 2 pi, lower limit is 0. I can say here 1 upon 24 pi, this comes to be 3 and 3 gets cancelled, 2 3s are, and then I can say first will be 2 pi cube, so that is 8 pi cube minus 3 pi multiplies to x square, so that is 4 pi square plus 2 pi square and x, so that comes to be 2 pi. So I can say 1 divided by 24 pi, and then this comes to be 8 pi cube, 4 and 3, that is 12, and this comes to be pi cube, and this again comes to be 4 pi cube. So 8 plus 4, that is 12, 12 minus 12 is 0. So I got a0 as 0. Now students, let's start with an. So an is 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x into cos nx dx. So I can say here 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi f of x is 3x square minus 6 pi x plus 2 pi square. So this is divided by 12 and further is cos nx dx. I can write 1 upon 12 pi integration 0 to 2 pi 3x square minus 6 pi x plus 2 pi square. This multiplies to cos nx dx. So let's solve it by u into v. So now I can say here 1 upon 12 pi, and I get 3x square minus 6 pi x plus 2 pi square integration of cos x sin nx divided by n minus differentiation of this comes to be 6x minus, this is 6 pi, so this comes to be 6x minus 6 pi, and again integration of that comes to be minus of cos nx divided by n square. So further this comes plus, and after this we can say minus makes it plus, and differentiation of this comes to be 6, and again this comes as minus of sin nx divided by n cube, where lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2 pi. So now I can say 1 upon 12 pi, when you put upper limit 2 pi, sin 2 pi is 0, minus and minus becomes plus. Here when we put 2 pi, so that comes to be 12 pi minus 6 pi, and cos 2n pi, that is 1, so this gets divided by n square. The next is sin 2n pi 0, so that's my first limit, minus put lower limit, so sin 0 is 0, minus and minus becomes plus, 6x is 6 into 0, and this comes to be minus 6 pi, cos 0 is 1, so this gets divided by n square, and further sin 0 is 0. So I can say an as 1 upon 12 pi Then 12 pi minus 6 pi is 6 pi by n square. 6 pi divided by n square. And this is minus and minus plus 6 pi by n square. So which we can write as 1 upon 12 pi. This is 12 pi divided by n square. So which comes to be 1 upon n square.